Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories coming from Margate, Florida. And today we did something that's really cool on a really cool vehicle. What am I talking about? Well, before I get started, that is our telephone number. If you have questions, you can always call the store. Also, I'll go ahead and put a link of this Skyjacker parts we just did on the bottom of this YouTube video. Again, there's the box. So that being said, come on over here. So Buddy basically did the install, who's behind the camera on this. And as you can see, we have a 19, was it 88? Jeep Wrangler. I believe it's the YJ because it has the square lights on it. Now, if he can get in there, let's see if your Buddy can get in there. He did the front two shocks of the Skyjacker shocks, and he did the stabilizer. Now, this is one good-looking Jeep. One thing I do like about it, was a lot of room to work. So Buddy appreciated that when he was putting it all together here. It made it a little easier to get in and out. He actually got it done a little quicker than he was expecting because you don't have as much stuff in the way. Some of the newer vehicles, a little bit more work to get in there to do your shocks and stuff. This wasn't too bad. I tell you, this Jeep is one good-looking Jeep. If you need shocks done, Skyjacker makes a wonderful shocks. Now, we do have other brands, but I do like Skyjacker, and we've been doing a lot of their products. So, and most people are familiar with the product as well. If you like what you see, we can install it here at the store. Now, if you don't live here in Florida, that is not an issue. We can ship it anywhere in the country. So if you live in California or Portland, Hawaii, we got you covered. Even Puerto Rico. So we can take care of outside the country, inside the country, got you covered. Again, I'm Chris with C&H, and we're just doing a review video of the Skyjacker shocks with the stabilizer. Sorry, I'm getting old. And don't forget, like and subscribe. Thank you.